Larry Anglisano reporting for Avionics News, publication of the Aircraft Electronics Association, and a good resource for avionics and maintenance shops. As systems in new turboprops and jets get more advanced, so does the demand for solid external ground power. Audio Authority, with its White Lightning SmartGPU and now Smart Charger, takes the ground power source to a higher and more customizable level. I caught up with Audio Authority's Jon Sisk at Sun and Fun 2026 down in Florida, where the latest Smart GPU is connected to the new Daher TBM-980 turboprop, and Jon gave us a good demo.
Okay, Larry, we're here at the TBM-980 booth and talking about the White Lightning Smart GPU and its special Smart Charger. The latest thing is we've introduced a new upgrade to the firmware, adding features to the Smart Charger. It now has a proprietary scheme for actually measuring the resistance of the wiring between the charger and the battery. And it can be fully automatic so that no matter what airplane it's hooked to, it gets precisely the correct voltages for doing the maintenance charging on your battery. And of course, maintenance charging is different than regular charging in that it's designed to dramatically extend the battery life and have the battery at maximum capacity for when you want to do your engine starts, particularly important on a turboprop like this. The unit employs, in this case, it has the optional charger built in, so you can select either to operate it as a GPU, which is for doing your hangar airframe power, or as a charger. And you can just select either one from there. In this case, it knows that we're plugged up with the airframe power, and there's a lockout for that. And then here you go into the battery maintenance mode, and it tells you things like the actual input voltage, the stage that it's operating. It was in the qualifying mode, now it's gone into a bulk charging mode, and you can see the voltage and amps that it's computing to precisely charge the battery. It's desulfating at the same time, and that's all completely automatic. For the TBM community, we've got some really interesting features. Some of those folks wanted to delay the initial charging to give the battery time to come down to ambient temperature, so we have an initial charge delay that is incorporated in there. It's normally set up for continuous 24/7 battery maintenance charging, but also some of those fellows want to put that on a schedule, so you can schedule intervals of charging anywhere from 3 to 30 days. So for example, they might do the initial charging when they come in from a flight and decide, well, I want to let it rest for 10 days and then start another charging cycle. So all those things are programmable and can be done from your mobile device, a tablet or an iPhone. If we go back, shut off the charger, and then we can go back into the airframe mode, and it initially shows you for the input voltage that we have, the maximum current that it could produce with 121 volts input. Now the unit will do 114 amps, but to get that, you have to have a high voltage input. So this would be the max that you could do with a low voltage input. And then when you start it up, then it will actually, the colors come in and tell you what it's going to do. Right now they've got the master switch shut off, so we're not seeing a load, but that's what it would look like. And you've got range markings for both voltage and the load, so it's easy to know what's going on. The main thing with the Smart GPU is that with the mobile device app, you're not tethered to the device. You can be in the cockpit, you can be crawling under the airplane, you can be doing your powered pre-flight and look at it from your phone and see exactly what's going on all the time. You don't have to be in front of it to look at the output meters. The Smart GPU comes in two sizes, a 54 amp and a 114. The 54 amp unit is about $1,600. The 114 amp unit is $2,500. If you want the battery maintenance charger option, it's a bargain at $295. Unlike a freestanding battery minder, instead of a 4 amp maximum charge, it's a 10 amp charger. and that's particularly appropriate for larger airplanes with higher amp hour capacity batteries. Plus you get all of the smart features that you normally don't have with a freestanding battery minder. They're great devices, we're just adding a lot of new features to them. You can see all our products at whitelightninggpu.com.